Hey there, welcome to another video where I'll be showing you another cool automation that I built using ClickUp and n8n. This is part of a recruitment automation or recruitment workflow. So what it does, whenever you want to hire a new candidate, they will send mails with their resume or CV along with the email body and subject. Then you have to check your email inbox and sort them through manually, then add them manually into your project management tools, whether it's ClickUp, Notion, or Monday.com. This whole process is really painful because you have to do everything manually. This particular automation takes care of those manual tasks. You can see there's a node here, Microsoft Outlook trigger. You can use the Gmail node here as well. Whenever a candidate sends their email, it will be triggered. Ignore this bottom workflow. This is for another workflow for linking tasks. Let's just focus on this one. Whenever there's a new email in your inbox, it will trigger, normalize the data, and then the LLM node will process that email. Basically, there will be tons of emails other than recruitment emails, so it will process and check if that email is actually a recruitment email. There are some instructions here to identify and process the email. If it's not a recruitment email, it will drop it. But if it's a recruitment email, then it will proceed. It will extract important information from the PDF or doc file, such as the candidate's career summary and objective, employment history, education, qualifications, skills, etc. From there, there's another LLM node. What it does is summarize all the information, then it gets the task from ClickUp, which is filtered by the thread ID or message ID to prevent any duplicate data. From there, it combines all the information and creates a task based on the candidate's name. In the task description, it will have more detailed information, which I'll show you later. Then it populates all these custom fields like email, education, qualifications, LinkedIn, employment history, job role, location, phone number, and thread ID. If I go to ClickUp, for example, this candidate's task is created based on their name. You can see in the task description, there's more information like summary, role applied for, phone number, location, relevant experience, qualifications, employment history. You can also add them as custom fields. For example, email, phone number, LinkedIn profile, education, qualifications, employment history, job role, location, message ID. In the attachment section, you can see that person's PDF or resume. Instead of going to your inbox and manually searching and sorting, this automation takes care of all those manual tasks. You can also add more features to this automation. For example, if you want your initial screening to be done through this automation, you can add scoring to the LLM instruction node. You can have your job descriptions there. Then what it will do is compare the candidate's qualifications with your job description and set a score. If the score is below the threshold value, it will reject it. It won't create a task in ClickUp and will automatically send a rejection email to that particular candidate. You can add that as well. But if it's above the score, it will proceed and create a task. It can also send an email like, "You've been shortlisted for the first round," or something like that, and it will automatically do all that stuff. You can update this automation and automate the whole recruitment workflow. That will save tons of time. If you want something similar built, go to our webpage, send us a message, or book a call. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.